We just got to Nelson Bay. Ray's already hiding. But Louis out and he's not attacking Ray, which is good. And I'm feeding him mangoes. He's stretching his wings and everyone's outside. About to have lunch. And that's the view. But we're staying here for a couple nights. Just came in like 10 minutes ago. Say hello.
Hello.
Look, Louis, he's eating.
Oh yeah, he's making back all there.
But we're going to be having Christmas lunch and then dinner. And where there's a lot of food to cook. And we've got lobster here, we have ham, and then chicken, lamb, and I don't know, everything. But Louis being a good boy because he's a bit, he's not in his territory, so he's okay. Okay, yeah, say hello.
Hello.
Hi! Let's call it a W.
Merry Christmas. What are you cooking for lunch?
Cooking Lebanese spicy sausage,
Yeah.
lamb, and woolly sausage.
Where's the vegetables? Why is there no vegetables?
Soon, Mama's gonna make it.
Okay. It's 5 o'clock now, and the boys went out fishing, but we're preparing dinner. We've got some chicken here. I've got potato salad. I've got honey carrots in the oven. Also got glazed ham, and now she's doing salmon toast. But my auntie has decided that she's coming over for dinner as well, so we're gonna have like a full house of 14 people. And I'm hungry already. Nothing. Hello. You guys liking dinner?
Yep.
Yep. Yummy.
Golden King lobster.
Yeah, because it's a pelican.
We just finished dinner and now we're on a walk at the marina, and it's a bit windy, which is why I've got a jumper on and why I've tied my hair back and I look like an idiot. But you can probably hear it's so windy right now. But dinner was so good. We don't have dessert because we tried to buy pavlova bases and they were sold out everywhere. At like my local, at work, Woolies, everything. It was all sold out. And then tomorrow we are planning to stay at the beach all day. We're doing some forward driving, having lunch there, spending the afternoon there, and yeah, should be fun. But now we're just watching Nikki fish. Good morning, it's day 2 and now we're all up. Everyone's had breakfast, but Ray is still asleep. But this is the outfit of the day with these sunglasses, which I found out Kenneth has an exact same pair but in blue. And Nikki is already fishing this morning and he's just preparing more fishing stuff. But we're waiting for Ray to wake up and we're gonna go to the beach. We're going to the beach?
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. Are
you getting stressed?
On my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda.
Good morning, it's day 3 and my face is so shiny because I have sunscreen on, but we woke up at around 8:50 I think, had some breakfast and we booked to go go-karting, which we've been heaps of times here in Nelson Bay before, but I think because all the family's here, why not have a little race with each other. But we're going go-karting and then, but that's at 1 o'clock. But in the meantime we're going to go to Shoal Bay. Gonna have lunch there and then just walk around to the very end past the entry point to the hike at Tomaree Head. But we're gonna go all the way to the water on the other side. But yeah, that's gonna be fun. This is my outfit. I have the top from Gossons and then these linen pants. And I'm gonna wear some sneakers. Oh, I don't wear a necklace. Wear some sneakers for go-karting. And that's it. We're on our little walk in Shoal Bay and it's gonna go all the way to the end over there. But the whole family's here and They're back there as well, but it looks really good.
This might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine.
Nikki, where are we?
Go-karting.
We're gonna go kart now. So we finished go-karting and I have such a story time because it started raining while we were go-karting on our second round, and it was so bad that it was like sitting in a pool of water because the seat was going into like a bucket, and they were all racing and they all got told off because they were speeding too much on the course. And yeah, I had white linen pants on, and you can just imagine if when it gets wet it goes see-through. So I had basically see-through pants, and I was I had to get out of the car and walk around to get back home. Anyway, we're out fishing now. They're all out there. Kenneth's made a friend. What's his name?
Aaron.
Meet Aaron the Heron.
Tonight we're having hot pot for dinner, and Kenneth's telling the bird to step up. But we're having hot pot for dinner at my auntie's place.
We're gonna use a fish.
And yeah, we're at my auntie's house for dinner, and we're having hot pot. Why is everyone so quiet now? Everyone was so eager to be on camera, and now I pull it out and everyone goes so quiet. But Nikki fillet a fish.
I thought you were gonna film the food and then you
Yeah, we are. We're gonna start filming the food.